take a look at a multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. A system of internal control is designed to ensure all the following would be achieved except. So here we're telling you the system of internal control will achieve 3 things, so 3 are correct and 1 is incorrect, and you're looking for the incorrect one. Now, if you're taking this question on farhatlectures.com, you can ask farhat.ai to explain the topic for you before answering the question if that's needed. Otherwise, if you're comfortable, which you should be, you go ahead and answer the question. All companies' personnel complies with applicable rules and regulation. Is this something that you want to achieve from the internal control? Absolutely yes, and that's not the correct answer. Remember, the following except, we're looking for the except. All instances of fraud will be detected. Look, listen to me carefully. Every time you see the word all, must, you have to be very careful. Even the best internal control cannot guarantee that all instances of fraud or errors will be detected. It's not a guarantee. It provides only what type of assurance? Reasonable, and that's the highest. Between A and B, I'm going to keep B. But I'm not going to select B until I go through C and D. Transactions are executed in accordance with the management authorization. Do you need authorization for internal control? Absolutely yes. For any transaction, you need authorization. Therefore, that's one of the objectives, which is not the correct answer. The company's resources are used efficiently and effectively. Absolutely. One of the main objectives of internal control is to making sure the company is operating with the least amount of resources and effectively achieving its goal, whatever those goals are, making profit, right? Making profit. So D is out. So the answer is B. Now, if you want to, you could ask the AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer, expand on it if you want to, just gonna make sure you understand this concept. And if you really want to test yourself again about this type of topic, you just ask AI, create a similar MCQ for me. This way you would just kind of, let's take a look at it, make sure I understand this. What should you do now? Well, you should go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, lectures, MCQs, AI CPA questions, resources, AI resources. That's going to help you whether you are studying for the CPA exam or you're an accounting student. The best investment you can make is investing in yourself. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.